Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap tailor-made local and long-distance movers near me. Plenty of options come with your long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating doesn't have to be so difficult. We offer complete long-distance moving services to make it easier for you. Our team can help you move 1 state away or all the way across the country with ease. A local move often requires a good Kentucky moving company. Even though the distance is shorter, it's still a ton of heavy lifting and hard work. Good movers can make this type of transition easier. 3 Movers will help you save time and energy on your local move. Our team can often handle this type of move in just a few hours. No matter where you're going, you can trust us to make moving easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our tailor-made moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.